Good morning, everyone. So, today we are here at topic 1, that is the concept and components of plant pathology of this short term program titled Introduction to Plant Pathology, the Science and Society. In this module, we are going to learn phytopathology, the meaning and definition of plant diseases, its objective, and the concept of disease triangle. After completing this module, you will be able to define phytopathology, you will understand objectives of phytopathology, and you will also know the role and importance of components of disease triangle or disease pyramid. How to define plant pathology? Plant pathology is a branch of agricultural, biological, or botanical science. It is deals with the study of diseases in plants, their causes, etiology, epidemiology, and resulting losses with the management of plant diseases. How we can define plant disease? Plant disease is any abnormal condition that alters the appearance or function of a plant. There are some features which are associated with disease condition. Number one, disease is a physiological process. It adversely affects some or all functions of the plant. It also reduces the yield and quality of harvested product. Disease is a process that takes some time or it occurs over time. It is not like injury, it is not a one time process. Thus, how we can see the difference in disease and a normal plant? Like this part of the root here, you can see there are morphological and anatomical changes in this root system which affects the function, normal function of the root, that is absorption of water. It may also affect the leaf system or the aerial system of the plant. Here you can see the changes in the leaf which is affected, and here you can see the changes or the damage in the leaf tissue. The normal leaf, which is responsible for the normal function of photosynthesis and transpiration, here in diseased leaves it is adversely affected and photosynthesis is considerably reduced. If disease affects the fruit system of the plant or fruits of the plants, you can see the deformation in the shape of the fruits and also the nutritional quality of the fruit. Thus, disease is not a single disease does not deals with a single plant, that is plant pathology. This plant pathology is closely associated with other fields of biological sciences, that is genetics, physiology, biochemistry, biotechnology, microbiology, virology, mycology, and bioinformatics. Thus, we can say it is an interdisciplinary, interconnected branch. Now, let us understand what is the concept of disease triangle. As we now understand that for disease to occur, there should be presence of three components: the host, the pathogen, and the environmental conditions. But mere presence of these three factors will not assure the development or the initiation of disease. There must be a pathogen, and this pathogen should be a virulent pathogen. It should have the potential to cause disease in the host plant. The host should be a susceptible host. It should be prone to disease development. And while these two favorable factors are present, the environment should also be conducive. That there should be optimum temperature or pH or water quantity for disease to occur. Recently, there are some more dimensions have been added to this disease the disease triangle, and now it is treated as disease pyramid. Another dimension which has been added, that is of microbiome. Actually, it is considered that disease will develop and the magnitude of disease will depend on the microbiome, that is the total population of microbes which is present in and around the plant and interactions with the host plant and with the pathogen. Another important dimension to this disease pyramid is societal factors, which includes cultural, political, and economical condition of that state or that area, because these factors they affect the outcomes on local and global scales. The consideration and integration of these two dimensions is also important to design forecasting model and also to design effective sustainable disease management system. Thus, after knowing all these things, now what are the objectives of plant pathology? Plant pathology deals with the diagnosis of the plant disease. It is the study of living, non-living, and environmental causes of diseases or disorder of the plants. The, the plant pathology also deals with the study of mechanism of plant disease development and interaction between susceptible host and the pathogen. Another important objective of plant pathology is to develop system of management of plant disease and also to study reducing losses caused by them. To study these topics in detail, you can refer to these websites or papers. Thus, in this module, we have seen what plant pathology is, how it is defined, what are the components of plant diseases, how it affects the functions or morphology or anatomy of the plant, and also the management of the plant diseases. Thank you.